Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another app review. Now, if the topic of making money from home, making money on the side, being your own boss, if that does interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that way you're up to date with all the latest videos. So let's get into it. What are we talking about today? We are talking about Watchback, which is an app I came across through a Facebook advertisement. I said, heck, I'll install that and I'll review it so I could give my feedback to my subscribers and my fans. And I said, heck, let's just do it. Let me give my thoughts on it. So I gave it a week. I've been trying it out for a week, and I have to say, I am not a fan. Now, the past few videos on this channel, I have given mostly positive reviews to, right? Most of the things I've been reviewing have been fairly positive, and if you're wondering, well, why would I review something or make a video on something that's negative, it's because that way you don't waste your time on this. So Watchback, it's absolutely 100% not worth your time. You're much better off using inbox dollars, which if you want to get a bonus, use the link in the description, or something along those lines, or swag bucks. All those things I have in the description linked that you'll get bonuses for, I like much more than Watchback. And here's why. I'm going to be real with you. The main reason is because Watchback it takes too much time. It takes way too much time, and it doesn't pay off enough. You're going to make like maybe $10 a month doing this, and it takes hours and hours and hours of your time. Whereas if you use Inbox Dollars, which is a survey website that I've used in the past, I use sometimes when I'm low on money or if I want to make some extra money, right? I'll use Inbox Dollars because I could do a one survey and make 10, 12 bucks, right? And that's only maybe an hour of my time at most. Versus this app, it's just not there. The money is not there, and I'm not going to give it a positive review. All in all, I'll give it a 1 out of 5 stars. I'm really not feeling this, guys. I would avoid this app. And if you've had a good experience with it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have a bad experience with it, let me know in the comment section down below. Be sure to try out Inbox Dollars or some of the other apps I recommend and websites I recommend. And I'm not just saying that to plug them. You know, I'm not affiliated with them. I have nothing to do with those websites. The only thing I have is a referral code, which I have for you to get your bonus. But the reason why I'm just saying that, because if you're watching this video, obviously you want to make some money from home, want to make some money on your phone. Watchback is not it. I'm telling you, I am not a fan of this, and I will not be using this any more other than what I used for it to just do a review. I mainly only got it just to review for you guys because I want you guys to know the best and the greatest surveys and apps out there and ways to make money. Coming next week, we have a couple more videos coming up. I'm going to have a couple more app reviews, and I'm going to have a Robinhood update. And coming the week after that, I'm going to be talking a lot more about social media marketing and making money online through Instagram and Facebook. And I really want this channel to be a hub of resources for everyone out there who wants to make money. I'm going to be doing app reviews. I'm going to be doing survey reviews. I'm going to be talking about social media marketing, entrepreneurship, multi-level marketing, anything along those lines. I want it to be here on the channel. This channel, I want to be a hub of information for people who want to be their own boss. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and have a great day.